Hey, if you want to learn how to get this beautiful eye look, keep on watching. Hey, how's it going? What's up? What's good? Welcome back to my channel. So, as you can see by the title, we're reviewing the Conspiracy Palette today, and I have it. Okay, so I'm first going to be taking the shade Tanacon and using it as a base color. I'm going to put it all over my lid. And I like them because I did test them out a little bit before because I didn't know what look to do. Because eyeshadow is like the hardest part of my looks usually. I always usually think of them on the spot, but then I invested a lot of money into trying to make these look really pretty for the looks I want to do today. Alright, next color I'm going to take is Diet Root Beer on a smaller brush. I'm going to put it in my crease and like so. Going to tap the right here first, and then I like swoosh it like this. I have to say the colors are really pretty. They're like everyday colors too, especially the top and bottom row. I have to admit, they're very unique colors, yet everyday colors. So that's really cool. One thing I can really say, Shane definitely took his time to do, and I have to admit, I'm going to be very biased about this, but these colors are really pretty, easily stacked, and they're so pretty. Next color I'm going to take is Cheese Dust, just like that much on my brush, and go in and deepen it, but starting right here and not at where I put my little point, just to deepen my crease color. And getting this like blended. Looks really pretty so far. Okay, see, it's kind of getting that like really nice shape that I like. We're going to take Diet Root Beer and Cheeto Dust and kind of mix it together, and then go back in it. I'm gonna take a little bit of my rides here, like a touch of it, literally a touch, because if you do too much, then it's gonna kind of mess up the look. So you want to touch the crease of your eye with it, and then you start going in a little bit more with speed. Oh man, I almost cried a little bit. For the other side, so you start with slow, then you build up. And if you messed up just like a little bit where I did, where you can see the black, you can try to do that, or you can just dip into root beer again, kind of soften it. We're going to take a good amount like that. And you're gonna go on the lid of my eye. I can't ever talk when I do this because I'm so afraid I'm gonna mess up. Yep. Next, I'm going to take the. I just like made a brush fly. I'm going to take my big blending brush again. Actually, I want more of a taper brush like this. It's thinner. I'm gonna dive into the color Exposed on the mini Controversy palette. So I'm just gonna do it like brush with it. And then I'm going to hit like this part. Yeah. Kind of curve into it. There's gonna be a little fallout, but you can kind of fix that later. So it's kind of purpling up that brown for us. We're just following the natural, not the natural, I guess the natural curve of the top of the eyelid. And then into the crease with it. My apologies, that looks like that. And I'm going to put her in the middle. This Kitten Karma by Stila liquid eyeshadow that's dried out. Okay, not that then. Ooh, we're gonna take NYX glitter palettes. It looks like this. We're gonna like go over this line. And then I'm going to take this very small, like it's meant for like eyeshadow. I mean liquid eyeliner. And put it in the glitter. And then I'm going to glitter that. That's pretty. Okay. So I'm going to repeat this on that eye and then I'll put my lashes on and give my final like review on it in a little eyeliner. And this is the final look. She is warm. She is feeling her best winter fantasy. I don't give a shit what anyone else says. I gotta bleep that out now. But this is the epic look. Black girls everywhere around the world should love this look. We look beautiful in the burgundies, the yellows, the oranges, the warm colors. I'm sorry I'm doing this in ASMR right now. It's late. So, get into it, girl. Look at this shit. Mom, Instagram girl, baddie makeup. Alright. Thanks for watching.